Okay, I'm going to be working through the various problems, and we're going to do the EoC practice questions. This is the first one. And on this graph, it's asking me to graph this right here, which is in standard form. And we could change this to y equals mx plus b, but that actually has a lot of places where we can make mistakes. So I'm going to show you my cover it up method, which I really like, and it's super fast. And I think a lot of you will like it. It actually has to do with the x and y intercepts, but thinking about it as the cover-up method is super easy. So I'm going to zoom just a little bit. So I take the same thing I have here, and I just wrote it over here so it's a little bigger for me to work with. And then literally all I do is I cover up each part. I cover up this part here, and I'm left with this right here. So I'm going to do this part right here. Here's my first part. Negative 3x equals negative 15. You could probably do this in your head or on your calculator. Negative 15 divided by negative 3, x equals 5. Then I cover up the other part, this part right here, and I have 5y equals negative 15 divided by 5. Again, you could probably do this in your head or in your calculator, and I get y equals negative 3. What we found is that this is where it's crossing the x-axis, and this is where it's crossing the y-axis. So now I just look over here. The x-axis is this one. It's easy to tell because they show me right here. So I'm looking for where it's crossing at a 5. Well, that one does. This one, does it cross at 5? Nope. Mark that one out. This one, does it cross at 5? Okay, that's okay. It's at 5. This one, does it cross at 5? Nope. Can cross that out. Now I know this is where it crosses the y-axis at negative 3. Is this crossing the y? Look, they told me it's y. Crossing the y at negative 3? That one looks promising. Is this crossing at negative 3? Nope, that's crossing at positive 3, so that's not right. Our only answer choice is B.